Yeah. Back at the house. Look here, I don't care if I just come out here and be vibing, or if I come out here and I'm actually doing some work. Y'all finna see this car every time. I'm gonna try to make it my business. Y'all see this car every time I post. At least every other time. Because if some work got to be done, and I mean, we got to get the ball rolling. Cause I done seen some stuff, man. I seen some stuff with this block party. I've been seeing these bubbles, and I kind of think they got an attack on me or something, man. Cause it's too many of them. It's too many of them, man. So I'm finna have to pull myself together, man. Cause every time I see them bubbles, man, they looking good. All I hear is, in Rick Ross' voice, "Where your car at, nigga?" That's all I hear every time. So I gotta figure something out, dog, cause they ain't gonna talk to me like that. No, they ain't gonna talk to me like that. Like I'm big bubble. You know what I'm saying? Like they not gonna do that. So I was, man, doing some measurements. You know what I'm saying? Doing some measurements, you know what I'm saying? And looking at some stuff in the trunk. And you know, things like that. I called a dude for my steering column. He ain't called me back. But I gotta figure that out, how to put. I need to order me some new I'm gonna order me some new what's calls here. That one fine. I'm gonna order this one new. And then I was trying to figure out where I was gonna relocate some stuff. I know what I'm about to do. I'm about to unplug this cutout because it's over with for that. Like unplug the cutout, take all the connections out the car for the cutout, and that's over with. Because I'm not gonna be utilizing that anymore. So yeah, I can take that out. There's one less thing on my car that can go wrong. So I'm taking it out. And what else? I can't even see my passenger side right now. So, because I got that console sitting up in there. As a matter of fact, once I take the cutout out, I can move the console where I want to because the switch to the cutout is actually mounted inside the console. Y'all know how we do, man. We try to mount stuff so it'll be out the way. So, yeah. Do that. My mama just came. My mama just left. She was like, "What you finna do? You finna finally get your car together? Finally get the car together? Yeah, I'm finna try. About time." Thanks. Thanks. You're very motivational. But yeah. So about to do that, and see what we got, man. Better see what we got as far as everything. Like I said, y'all already know the motor got to come out. Well, if you didn't know, now you know. The motor got to come out. Wheels got to come off. So I think I'm gonna just try to put all that stuff back in at the same time. Motor and trans, and go from there. Because you don't need to put the trans in now and then come back trying to put the motor in. You don't need to doing that. I'm gonna take the motor out. I might try to play around with these small block clamshells. Try to play around with those, and see if it'll sit that motor for a little more forward. And that'll give me a little more room as far as the back side of it to do stuff that I need to do. I don't know how that's gonna look. Over here, everything should be fine though. It ain't gonna move it drastic. I don't know how it's gonna look on that oil pan. The oil pan should be fine too. If not, I know what to do. I'll put this shit back how it was, cause it worked fine how it was. I just wanted to change some stuff. So, yeah. But yeah, man. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out because I'm really just babbling. But I'm letting y'all know. Every time I pick this camera up, it needs to be some Mayrose footage. Now, how much of it's gonna reach the public? I can't tell you that. But some of it is gonna be over on the join, the memberships. Some of it gonna be over there. So if I was you, I'm just saying. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what to do if I was you. If you don't want to miss no content, go on check it out. That way you are not out of the loop. Because the more critical this gets, stuff gonna be going over there. You know what I'm saying? Like intricate details and all that, it's gonna be over there. So yeah, we back, man. Back up in here with another one of them things. And I told y'all, man, I got a decision to make, but I have made one decision, and that one decision is that these cutouts are no more. So I'm in here right now watching Life with the Ikes. And taking out my switch, all my cutout stuff, taking all this stuff out. I won't be running cutouts anymore. So I'm over there. I gotta go get my toolbox. I gotta get that all that wiring and stuff from over there for the cutouts, because I'm not running it no more. I'm not doing it no more. It's over with. It was good while it lasted, but nah, it's over with. So I gotta figure out which one of these red wires I got over here is running to the cutouts. Which ain't gonna be hard. It's one of those in that cluster over there somewhere. So if I ain't mistaken, I probably labeled it. But yeah, finna get that out of there, and that'll be it. And this video will probably be continued into something else. But yeah, that's where I don't know if you can even see that hole, but that's where the switch was mounted. Taking all this stuff out, man. It was fun while it lasted. What I gotta do though? Oh, I gotta get my toolbox. So let me go do that, and then I'll come back when everything has been removed, once I figure out what wire was what and it'll be removed. So yeah, let me do that. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Anime himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Anime Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Anime Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. All of the cutout wiring It's right here in my hand. Putting it in the trunk because we no longer have access to cutouts. And the wire that powered it has been eliminated as well. So we're not worried about that no more. The only thing we gotta do is get the cutout off because there is still a cutout on the car. It's just not wired. So the cutout's still down there. Let's see. Lay on the ground for y'all one time. Oh, the cutout is still on there. Just can't get no power to it no more. But we're gonna chop that right on off. We're gonna chop that off and whatever other mufflers I go with will be put there in that place. And we ain't gonna need no cutout because she gonna be rowdy and bowdy. Understand what I'm saying? So, yeah, got that done. I got a task done today. So, hopefully, like I said, this video will probably be merged in with something else. So, whatever y'all see next is what I came up with to do. So, yeah, let me go ahead and get to it. Hit y'all in a second.